Have you ever wondered how you can make money on YouTube? Well, you're not alone. There's a whole world of potential out there waiting for you to tap into. Yes, I'm talking about the lucrative platform of YouTube, where creativity meets opportunity. It's a place where you can share your passion and, with the right approach, turn it into a source of income. In this day and age, YouTube isn't just a platform for entertainment. It's a goldmine for those who know how to leverage it. And the good news? You don't have to be a celebrity or a viral sensation to make it work. All you need is a strategy, a bit of persistence, and a dash of creativity. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to monetizing your YouTube channel, uncovering the secrets of creating quality content, leveraging ad revenue, channel memberships, merchandise, brand partnerships, and even crowdfunding. So, are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Let's dive in. Firstly, to make money on YouTube, you need to create quality content. This might sound simple, but creating compelling content that resonates with your audience is an art. It's not just about having a high-definition camera or using fancy editing software. It's about creating something that's engaging, entertaining, or educational. When you create content that people genuinely enjoy, they're more likely to subscribe to your channel and keep coming back for more. That's because people don't subscribe to channels, they subscribe to personalities and the content they produce. So it's crucial to figure out what your audience wants to see and deliver it to them. This might require some trial and error, but don't be discouraged. Keep experimenting until you find what works best for you and your audience. Equally important is consistency. Uploading videos regularly not only keeps your channel fresh, but it also gives people a reason to return. Think about your favorite TV shows. They air new episodes on a regular schedule, right? The same principle applies to YouTube. Whether it's once a week, twice a month, or every day, set a schedule and stick to it. This consistency will help you build a loyal subscriber base over time. But what does quality content look like? Well, it's not one size fits all. It could be a well-researched documentary, a hilarious skit, a step-by-step tutorial, or a heartfelt vlog. The key is to create something that's unique and offers value to your audience. You want your videos to stand out in a sea of content. Let's not forget about production value. While it's true that content is king, it doesn't hurt to invest in good equipment. Clear audio, stable footage, and good lighting can significantly improve your video's overall quality. However, remember that these are just tools to enhance your content, not a substitute for it. Remember, quality content is king. It's what will bring viewers to your channel and keep them coming back for more. And when you have a solid base of loyal viewers, making money on YouTube becomes a whole lot easier. Once you've started creating quality content, it's time to start thinking about how to monetize your channel. One of the most popular ways to earn money on YouTube is through ad revenue, and this is made possible by the YouTube Partner Program. The YouTube Partner Program, or YPP for short, is a system that allows content creators to share in the revenue generated from ads displayed on their videos. This means that every time an ad is viewed or clicked on within your video, you get a share of the revenue. Now, it's important to note that not everyone can just join the YPP. YouTube has set certain eligibility requirements that you need to meet in order to join the program. First off, you need to live in a country or region where the YPP is available. Second, you need to have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. And third, you need to have more than 1,000 subscribers. Lastly, you need to link a Google AdSense account to your YouTube account. Now let's talk about the types of ads that can be displayed on your videos. There are 5 types of ads: display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, non-skippable video ads, and bumper ads. Each ad type has its own pricing, so the amount of money you can make depends on the type of ads displayed on your videos. But here's the thing, the amount of money you can make from ad revenue is not fixed. It depends on various factors, including the number of views your video gets, the number of clicks an ad receives, the type of ad, and the demographics of your viewers. So, while ad revenue can be a significant source of income, it is also somewhat unpredictable and can fluctuate from month to month. That's why it's important to not solely rely on ad revenue and to consider other monetization strategies as well. Ad revenue can be a lucrative income stream, but it's not the only way to make money on YouTube. Beyond ad revenue, there are other ways to monetize your YouTube channel. One of these ways is through channel memberships. Think of this as a subscription service where your subscribers can pay a monthly fee to receive perks like custom badges, emojis, exclusive live chats, and much more. It's a fantastic way to generate a steady stream of income while also offering added value to your most loyal fans. To be eligible for channel memberships, you must have more than 30,000 subscribers, be in the YouTube Partner Program, and be at least 18 years old. Once you meet these requirements, you can set up your memberships by going to the monetization page in YouTube Studio and clicking on the Memberships tab. Now let's talk about the merchandise shelf. This is where you can sell your branded merchandise directly on your YouTube channel. T-shirts, hats, mugs, you name it. If it can carry your brand, it can be sold on your merchandise shelf. To be eligible for this feature, you need to have at least 10,000 subscribers, be in the YouTube Partner Program, and ensure your channel is not set to Made for Kids. Setting up your merchandise shelf involves partnering with one of YouTube's approved merchandise sites. The beauty of these monetization methods is that they provide an opportunity to make money while also strengthening the relationship with your audience. When a viewer becomes a channel member or buys your merchandise, they're not just supporting you financially. They're also showing their loyalty to your brand and their desire to be part of your community. So, consider channel memberships and merchandise sales as more than just income streams. They're also powerful tools for building a stronger, more engaged audience. With channel memberships and merchandise sales, you can earn additional income while also strengthening your relationship with your audience. But wait, there's more. You can also monetize your YouTube channel through brand partnerships and crowdfunding. Let's dive into the world of brand partnerships first. Think of this as a symbiotic relationship where you and a brand mutually benefit. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers and creators who can authentically showcase their products or services. In exchange, they provide financial support, free products, or other perks. This could mean featuring a product in your video, creating a dedicated review, or even mentioning the brand in your content. So how do you attract these brand partnerships? Well, it all starts with your content. Brands are drawn to unique voices and perspectives that align with their values. So continue creating compelling, high-quality content that reflects your unique voice and style. Once you've established a solid viewer base, you can start reaching out to brands that fit with your content and audience. Remember, it's about creating a partnership that benefits both you and the brand. So make sure it's a good fit. Now let's shift gears and talk about crowdfunding. This is a way to raise money for your content directly from your viewers. Platforms like Patreon, Kickstarter, and GoFundMe make it easy for creators to set up campaigns and receive funding. You can offer rewards or perks to your viewers in exchange for their support, like exclusive content, merchandise, or even a chance to collaborate on a future video. Crowdfunding is a great way to maintain creative control over your content. Instead of relying on ad revenue or brand partnerships, you can fund your content directly through your viewers. It's a more personal and direct relationship, and it can be incredibly rewarding. So, there you have it. Brand partnerships and crowdfunding are two powerful ways to monetize your YouTube channel. They're not just about making money, but about building relationships with brands and your viewers. They can help you grow your channel, create better content, and ultimately, make a living doing what you love. Brand partnerships and crowdfunding can provide significant income, especially as your channel grows and attracts more viewers. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making money on YouTube. We've journeyed through the crucial aspects of this process, beginning with the cornerstone of it all, creating quality content. Remember, your content needs to be engaging, valuable, and unique to stand out in the vast sea of YouTubers. Next, we delved into monetizing through ad revenue. The key here is to grow a substantial viewership, which makes your channel more attractive to advertisers. We then explored how to supplement your income through channel memberships and merchandise sales. Offering exclusive content and tangible goods can boost your earnings significantly. Lastly, we discussed the immense potential of brand partnerships and crowdfunding. These strategies can attract additional funds and increase your channel's visibility. Now it's time to put these strategies into action and start making money on your YouTube channel. Good luck.